What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Hope everyone had a great holidays with the family, and it's the new year, so we're gonna be starting off with some new mods. But what we're gonna be actually working on is my brother's car in the back. He got a 2016 Accord Sport. So for Christmas, I actually gifted him some new tires for his wheels. Basically, the long story short is he had his stock wheels, curbed them, the tires wore out, so he's been using my stock wheels because they're basically brand new. So I powder coated the wheels and fixed up the curb rash, put new tires on them, and we actually got a cant and intake for them. Along with, we're gonna be doing some basic maintenance on this car because it's due. But that's my little Christmas gift to my brother. But let me show you guys really quick. So these are the freshly powder coated wheels. And again, these are the stock wheels, so they look badass. So if you guys don't know, for the 2016 Accord Sport wheels, they were piano black and they are two-toned. But this time I just fixed up the curb rash and actually just did gloss black. And of course we went Michelin tires. Of course all my cars got Michelins. I love Michelin. If any guys are out there, hit me up. But at the same time, we also got a cant and intake for my boy. We gotta take care of the boy. You know, we gotta take care of the family. We got a lot of stuff going on today. We got maintenance, intake, and wheels. So these were my stock wheels. Yes, and yes, I'm gonna be removing the wrap because we're gonna be doing a full color change on this. That's coming soon. And we got other stuff coming here. But I want to show you guys stock wheels, a little dinky. These are plastic dip. These are powder coat. Big difference. What I'm gonna do, put the car up in the air, take off the wheels, check the brakes, do the fluids, do the intake, and put you guys on the loop. Alright, so majority of you guys know how to do an oil change, or kind of know how to do an oil change, or whatever. But if you don't know, I have a video already down in the description. Check it out. That's how I do an oil change. But basically what I'm gonna be doing is oil change, transmission drain and fill, check the brakes, coolant drain and fill, and because the car has hit 60K on it, so we're just doing that, checking the brakes. And then I'm not gonna do the brake fluid flush yet because I have a surprise coming for him as well. But right now I'm going to be removing the under tray so that way I can get to the drain, that way I can start doing the oil change. But yeah, so I'm just gonna keep you guys on a time lapse. So, kind of a different pace in the situation. So I bought a Mobil 1 oil filter for my brother's car. And I go ahead and try to use it. I open it, and it's a freaking Fram. So, I just got juked. So now I just gotta go back to Mobil 1, or I gotta go back to Walmart and go grab a new oil filter. And yes, I'll be back. Alright, so after getting the new filter, confirming that was the right one, we're about to pop this one in, and next move to the transmission fluid, and then move to the radiator coolant, and then we're gonna drop this car baby, fill it up, and then do the intake. Okay, so I did the oil change. Now I'm about to do the transmission. If you don't know how to do the transmission drain and fill, so pretty much here's the front of the car. You're gonna move towards the middle, and right over here you'll see this 3/8 bolts. Basically I loosened it. It will be hella tight, so by all means you're gonna need a torque wrench or a breaker bar. I'm gonna basically and ready, set, go. All right. And it has like a magnet on it, so that way if there was any metal shavings, it just picks it up right there. It looks like we're pretty good. Just wipe off. Of course, remember, replace a new crush washer. It's the best practice. Alright, so basically the maintenance is done. Removing the wheels now and putting his new wheels back on. So removing it, his brakes are semi-okay. There's some hot burns on the rotor. Hot burns right here, you can see the spots on here. Pads are almost done. So they will be almost done to be needing to be replaced. So, which is good because I have a surprise coming for him for this purpose. But what I'm gonna do is put the new wheels on. We're not gonna bleed the brakes today because we got the surprise coming for this. So we're gonna be leaving the brakes for another video. We're gonna slap the wheels on and show you how it looks, and then get to the beauty of the K&N intake. Ooh, baby, man, just look at those wheels, like freshly powder coated, and again, looks amazing. And we'll show you guys once we drop the car after we do the intake. Again, I'm removing the wrap, as you guys can see. I'm doing the other side now. It's because we're gonna do a full color change for this later. I'm not gonna remove the wrap because it is a little. I'm not gonna remove the wrap on the roof because it is a little late today. I gotta do a lot of stuff for that. I might need a second person for me for that. We're working on this side, and we'll get her done. All right, just to give you guys a quick walk around. These are the black wheels. Again, the roof is gloss black. There's like some small pieces that were gloss black. I may say that for a later date, but I just need to get the maintenance done because it is getting a little late tonight. I need to add the fluids, and I need to do change the intake. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that stuff squared away because it's more important right now. I can take out the wrap anytime. I want to give it the black roof. That way it gives it a little bit of contrast while he's driving it. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get that intake taken care of. Alright, so it's pretty late, but I did get the intake installed. It did take me a little bit, but it's because I was kind of messing around. But the intake is in. It's a K&N intake. Pretty much everything is pretty much. It's really for intakes. That I have an intake installed on my 2015 Accord, and that's why I didn't really do much of an install. I just did it on time lapse. Have one cabin filter I need to replace, and we should be pretty tied up with this car for right now. But that's basically it. Alright, so I want to show you guys basically what the car is looking like. So of course we got the upgraded black wheels. So my brother was running my old 18s while he actually had 19s, so we fixed those up. Those suckers look good. Damn. Alright, and of course we got the maintenance going. We removed this block off the side skirts. I'm gonna do that one later because I do not have time. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning at the moment. But I want to show you how the intake sounds, like how the intake is. Definitely has the growl that my brother wants. So hope he likes it. Again, I'm gonna show you guys his reaction later on, but that's basically it for today's video. Okay, peace.